Today guys, we are going to do Visual Code Studio. So guys, Visual Studio Code is a source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Features include support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, snippets, code refactoring and embedded kit. Guys, Visual Code Studio is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. CodePen.io and brackets that we did earlier also fall in the category of IDE. Now guys, let us understand what is console. Now guys, in JavaScript, the console object provides access to browser's debugging console. Example, web console in Firefox. Now what is the purpose of console? Why actually do we need a console? Console is used to provide any kind of variables defined before in it or just to print any message that needs to be displayed to the user. Now guys, let me tell you how to open the console screen. So guys, first we'll right click on any web page and click on inspect. Now guys, we'll click on console and here is your console. So guys, over here we have some data stored. So guys, today we are going to do few predefined functions of console. So guys, let us move on to the function. Then guys, we are going to create a file in file manager named as Visual Studio Code. Now guys, in that we are going to create a folder for this project. You can name it JavaScript console. Now guys, we are going to right click and then we are going to make a file for HTML, that is index.html, same way we made for brackets. Now guys, we are going to write HTML, then head, then title, that is JavaScript console, then title ends, then head ends, then we will start with the body, h1 intro to console, h1 also ends. Now we are going to start with script. So guys, we are writing script so that we can code JavaScript in HTML only. So guys, if you don't want to do like this, then you can simply right click over here and create a folder called function.js and doing that as well and link that file over here. But if you want to do like this, then you can do it like this. Now guys, we are going to write console.log welcome to console screen. Okay, now variable first name equals to Anmol. So this is the first name. So I have just made a variable. Now console.log first name. Now I want to display this variable. So guys, I want you to keep one thing in mind. When we are initializing the variable, then we'll write var and the variable name. But when we are calling that variable, let's say we are calling it in console.log, then we'll just write the variable name and not var. Okay, now we'll write var last name Kalra, console.log last name, now var full name, now first name dot concat. Now concat is used to merge two strings, and last name, now console.log full name. So I'll show you how the whole thing looks. So first it will show welcome to console screen, then it will show var first name Anmol, then it will show my surname Kalra, and then it will show full name Anmol Kalra. Okay, now guys, we are going to do var length of name full name dot length. Now what is length of name? Now length of name is basically the number of alphabets you have. Like in my name Anmol, I have 5 alphabets, so the length is 5. Now var length of name full name. Now we want to find the length. Then console.log length of name. So now length of name will store the length of the full name. Now var statement. Now guys, this is just the false statement. I know C++. Now console.log statement. Now var correct. Now statement dot replace. Now I will replace C++ with JS. Now guys, if we are going to do this replace function, then we need two parameters, that is two values, the incorrect one and the correct one. So guys, it is similar to editing that we do in English, the wrong word and the correct word. Now console.log correct. Now var lower unmul. Now var upper. So now this will convert unmul this lower text to a uppercase text. So lower dot to uppercase and console.log upper. So it will convert it all caps. I'll just show it to you over here. You can see. Now variable square root. Now these are a few math functions. So math dot square root 64. So guys, we'll find out the square root of 64. So console.log square root. So now the square root is 8. Now var max. Now it will find out the maximum number, the greater number. Now math.max. Now out of 12 and 6, we'll find which number is greater and console.log max. So now 12 is greater, so over here it will print 12. Now variable min. So math.min 12,6 console.log min. So guys, over here you can see that it is showing 6. Now guys, we'll move on to power. Now power is the power basically. It raised to the power. So math dot power 8 raised to the power 2. So 8 into 8, that is 64. Now console.log power. Now variable number. So it is just a long decimal number. Now new number. Now number dot to fixed, and we are going to fix it to 4. And then console.log new number. So now we'll display the new number. So over here you can see that there are 4 decimal places. If you want to fix it to 2, then you can fix it to 2. It is absolutely your wish. Now variable number 1 12 and variable number 2 8. Now sum equals to number 1 plus number 2. Console.log sum. Now variable number 4, then console.log type of. Now it will show it a type, whether it is a string or a number. Now string is basically like, you can say, something that we put in double quotes. It can be a number or a text. So that we'll call as string. Now variable dec. So dec equals to 10, then dec minus minus. So we are going to decrement it by 1. So minus minus means that we are decrementing it by minus 1. Okay. Now console.log decrement. So we will display the answer, that is 9. Now var in. This means that we are incrementing 12 by 1. So in plus plus. Now we don't write minus 1 or plus 1, we simply write plus plus, and if we want to increment it by 2, then we'll write plus 2. Now console.log in. So guys, we use plus plus while we were doing arrays. So guys, if you have not watched my video on arrays, then please do watch that. I'll link that video in the description as well. Now guys, we'll end the script, the body and the HTML. Now I'll show you how it looks. So basically it is showing all the things that we have coded, and it is working absolutely fine. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video to all the other coders you know. Until then, bye bye.